Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, without judgment. It is about paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings with acceptance. Many people live their lives on autopilot, moving from one task to another, without truly experiencing each moment. Mindfulness helps us break this habit and brings awareness to our daily lives. This practice comes from Buddhist teachings, but it is not limited to religion. People from all backgrounds can benefit from mindfulness. Scientists have studied mindfulness and found that it can reduce stress, improve focus, and even increase happiness. By being more aware of the present moment, we can respond to life's challenges with greater calm and clarity. A common misunderstanding is that mindfulness means clearing your mind of all thoughts. This is not true. The goal is not to stop thinking, but to observe your thoughts without getting lost in them. Imagine sitting by a river and watching leaves float by. Each leaf is like a thought. Instead of chasing after the leaves or pushing them away, you simply watch them pass. This is mindfulness, observing your thoughts without becoming attached to them. Another key aspect of mindfulness is awareness of the body. We often ignore our physical sensations, but they can tell us a lot about our mental and emotional state. A simple way to practice mindfulness is by paying attention to your breath. Notice how the air moves in and out of your body. Feel your chest rise and fall. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Mindfulness is not something that requires extra time in your schedule. You can practice it anywhere, while drinking tea, walking, or even washing dishes. The important thing is to be fully engaged in the moment. For example, if you are drinking tea, notice the warmth of the cup in your hands, the aroma, and the taste. By doing this, even small moments can become meaningful. Mindfulness is a skill that takes practice, but anyone can develop it. In the next part, we will explore simple steps to start a mindfulness practice in daily life. Starting a mindfulness practice does not require any special tools or a lot of time. The key is to begin with small steps and be consistent. Many people think they need to meditate for hours, but even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Here are some simple ways to start. 1. Start with the breath. The easiest way to practice mindfulness is by focusing on your breath. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and take a few slow breaths. Pay attention to how the air moves in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. You can start with just 1 minute a day and gradually increase the time. 2. Practice. Mindful walking. Walking is something we do every day, but we rarely pay attention to it. Try walking slowly and noticing each step. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Be aware of the rhythm of your movements. If you are outside, listen to the sounds around you and observe the colors and shapes. Walking mindfully can help you feel more grounded and present. 3. Use daily activities as a practice. Mindfulness does not have to be separate from your daily life. You can turn simple activities into mindfulness exercises. For example, when eating, focus on the taste, texture, and smell of the food. When washing dishes, feel the temperature of the water and the sensation of your hands moving. These small moments of awareness can help you build a habit of mindfulness. 4. Try a short meditation. If you are comfortable, you can try a short meditation. Sit in a quiet place Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. If thoughts arise, simply notice them and let them go. You can use a timer or a guided meditation app to help you stay focused. Even 5 minutes a day can bring benefits. 5. Set reminders and be patient. It is easy to forget about mindfulness in a busy life. You can set reminders on your phone or place small notes in your home to encourage yourself. For example, a note on your mirror can remind you to take a deep breath in the morning. Also, be patient with yourself. Mindfulness is a practice, not a goal. Some days will be easier than others, and that is completely normal. By starting with these simple steps, you can gradually make mindfulness a natural part of your life. In the next part, we will discuss common challenges and how to overcome them. Starting a mindfulness practice is simple, but staying consistent can be difficult. Many people face challenges, such as a wandering mind, impatience, or a lack of time. These are natural obstacles, but they can be overcome with the right approach. 1. Dealing with a wandering mind. One of the most common challenges is distraction. When you try to focus on your breath or surroundings, your mind may start thinking about your to-do list, past mistakes, or future worries. This is completely normal. The goal of mindfulness is not to stop thoughts, but to observe them without judgment. Think of your mind like the sky and your thoughts like clouds. Sometimes the sky is clear and sometimes it is cloudy. But the sky itself does not change. When your mind wanders, simply notice the thought and gently bring your focus back to the present. Each time you do this, you are strengthening your mindfulness skills. 2. Overcoming impatience. At first, mindfulness may not feel very different from your usual routine. You may wonder if you are doing it correctly or if it is really helping. Many people expect immediate results, but mindfulness is like planting a seed. It takes time and regular care to see growth. Instead of looking for quick changes, focus on the practice itself. Enjoy small moments of awareness throughout your day. Over time, you may start to notice that you feel calmer, more focused, and more present in your daily life. 3. Finding time for mindfulness. Busy schedules often make people feel like they do not have time for mindfulness. However, mindfulness does not require extra time. It is about changing how you experience daily activities. If you do not have time for meditation, try practicing mindfulness while drinking coffee, walking, or even brushing your teeth. Simply focus on the sensations and movements of the moment. You can also take short, mindful pauses throughout your day. A deep breath before opening your email or a moment of awareness before a conversation can make a big difference. 4. Accepting your experience. Some days, mindfulness may feel easy and enjoyable. Other days, it may feel frustrating or difficult. This is normal. Instead of judging your practice, accept it as it is. There is no perfect way to be mindful. Even if you only notice one deep breath in a busy day, that is still mindfulness. The key is to keep practicing, even in small ways. Over time, mindfulness can become a natural part of your life, helping you to experience each moment more fully. By being patient and gentle with yourself, you can overcome challenges and enjoy the many benefits of mindfulness. I encourage you to start with just one small step today. The present moment is always here, waiting for you. Mindfulness is not something that requires perfection. It is not about always being calm or having a clear mind. It is about returning to the present moment, again and again, with kindness toward yourself. As you continue your mindfulness journey, remember that even small moments of awareness can make a difference. Noticing a deep breath, feeling the warmth of sunlight, or fully tasting your morning tea. These are all ways to cultivate mindfulness in your daily life. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. There may be days when mindfulness feels effortless, and days when it feels difficult. That is completely normal. The important thing is to continue, even in small ways. With time, you may notice that you feel more present, more at peace, and more connected to the world around you. If you found this video helpful, a like and a subscription to the channel would be deeply appreciated. Your support allows more people to discover mindfulness and its benefits. I am truly grateful for everyone who takes the time to watch, like, and subscribe. May your journey with mindfulness bring you clarity, peace, and a deeper connection to the present moment. Thank you for watching.